Keeping it 100. The meaning behind the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a popular phrase you might have heard in conversations, movies, or on social media: keep it 100. This expression has a rich cultural background and a powerful meaning, and we're here to break it all down for you. So, let's get started and keep it 100 together. The phrase, keep it 100, or sometimes just, keep it 100, is a slang term that means being authentically yourself, completely honest, and genuinely true to your feelings or beliefs, without compromise. The number 100 here is used to signify totality or perfection, much like in a test score. When someone says they're keeping it 100, they're committing to full transparency and integrity in their words and actions. While it's hard to pinpoint the exact origin of keep it 100, it's widely recognized as part of African American Vernacular English, AAVE. It gained mainstream popularity through hip-hop culture and social media, where authenticity and realness are highly valued. This expression reflects a commitment to truth and is often used to express agreement or solidarity with someone's honest statement or opinion. Keep it 100 can be used in various contexts. Affirming honesty: I always keep it 100 with my friends. Commending truthfulness: I respect that you keep it 100. Encouraging authenticity: in this discussion, let's all keep it 100. It's a versatile phrase that you can incorporate into everyday conversations, especially when emphasizing truthfulness and authenticity. This phrase is more than just a way to talk about honesty. It's a statement about personal integrity and cultural identity. In cultures where trust and authenticity are paramount, saying, keep it 100, is a pledge to remain unfailingly honest and true. However, it's also important to understand the context in which you use it, as its significance can vary depending on the audience and setting. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and usage of keep it 100. This phrase is a powerful testament to the importance of authenticity and honesty in our communications and relationships. We hope this video helps you understand not just the words themselves, but the cultural and emotional depth they carry. Remember, in a world where sincerity is invaluable, keeping it 100 is not just a phrase, it's a lifestyle. Stay true, stay honest, and we'll see you in the next video.